stuck. That's not a good place to be. In fact, I think stuck is a terrible place to be. Because when you're stuck, you know you can go ahead, but you're not going. You know you can do better, but you don't do it. I think one of the biggest problems with people that are stuck, they're with people that accept stuckedness. You know, I understand why you're there, you see? And so you stay there. That's why it's so important you mix with people that won't permit you to stay there. They know that you're capable of better, and they're continually encouraging you to do better, continually encouraging you to stretch, go for more. Now, it never happens by accident, never. Discipline is something, to me, it's essential. If you don't have discipline, I don't think you have much of anything. If you cannot give yourself a command and follow it, you probably are not going to go much further than you are. You're going to have to tell yourself, go out and do this, regardless of how many things are outside trying to stop you. We say it takes guts. It does take guts. You can want stuff and you can want it, and we know it's good to want. But if you don't have discipline, if you haven't married the discipline and the wants, odds are pretty good it's not going to happen. You're going to stay where you are. That's not a good place to be. I haven't stayed where I am for many, many years. I'm continually on the move. Every day is a new day, man. I've got new stuff going on. I've got so many things to do, I don't even know how to get them all done today. So I do the very best I can. I mark down what has to be done, and if I have any time then, I'll get some of the other things that I want to do. But I've always got a lot to do, and I love it. I love it because I know I'm growing, and I know as long as you keep growing, you keep experiencing more. Life becomes a fascinating experience. Dean Briggs said something. There's times when nothing seems to be working, and you feel just like quitting. You're so despondent, nothing's happening. He said, do your work. Not just your work and no more, but a little more for the lavishing sake. That little more which is worth all the rest. And if you suffer as you must, and you doubt as you must, do your work. The sky will clear, and out of your very doubt and suffering will be born the supreme joy of life.